Hello and welcome to the College of Engineering and Computer Science at UTC. My name is Daniel Pack and I serve as the Dean of the college. I want to congratulate you for starting your college journey at UTC, an important first step toward a wonderful career in your future. It is indeed a great time to become an engineer, computer scientist, or technologist as the world increasingly becomes more dependent upon advanced technologies and the benefits that they bring to the society. Here at the college, you'll receive excellent education from outstanding faculty members. You'll also find opportunities to get involved with student organizations, competition teams, professional development workshops and programs, internship, and undergraduate research programs, to just name a few. I can't wait to greet you in person this fall. Again, welcome, congratulations, and go Mocs. My portion of the presentation will give you a high-level overview of the college in three areas: our students, learning through solving real-world problems, called applied research, and student success through community engagement. First, I want to give you a brief history of the college, its vision, and its mission. The origin of the college started with a general engineering program in 1947 at the University of Chattanooga. When the University of Chattanooga joined the University of Tennessee system and changed its name to the University of Tennessee at Chattanooga in 1969, the engineering program, still offering a single Bachelor of Science degree in engineering, started to grow both in size and expertise. The program became the College of Engineering and Computer Science in 1977. From a handful of faculty members and a small student population in 1969, today we now have over 1,600 students majoring in 8 undergraduate, 4 master's, and 1 PhD degree programs. As of last year, our students come from 65 Tennessee counties, 20 states, and 13 nations. The academic programs are administered by 5 departments: Civil and Chemical Engineering, Computer Science and Computer Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Engineering Management and Technology, and Mechanical Engineering. The vision of the college is to become a preeminent college in 2 areas: education and applied research. That is, the college is pursuing to give its students the best education and to be one of the best in applied research. The mission of the college is made of the 3 following submissions: preparing future workforce for the state, the nation, and the beyond, discovering knowledge, and finally engaging communities through scholarship, service, and economic development. Let's talk about our students. 90% of our undergraduates are full-time students, and 17% of them are adult learners. Almost 20% of our students are first-generation college students, 15% of our students are female, and 71 of our students are veterans. Next, applied research. Applied research simply means finding answers to industry and societal problems through technological means. Gaining experience in finding answers to such questions is vital for you to become a good engineer, computer scientist, engineering or construction manager, or technologist of the future. The graph shows that the amount of research funding our faculty attracts each year is significant, reflecting an increasing number of opportunities for students to participate in the applied research process. Our students also succeed outside of classroom by participating in internships, undergraduate research, student organizations and competition teams, and community service. Here are a few examples that show potential opportunities waiting for you. Matt is an electrical engineering undergraduate who worked on a mini satellite program and interned at SpaceX. He's now pursuing his graduate degree in electrical engineering. Cooper was a chemical engineering student who went to Japan to study nanotechnology as part of his summer fellowship program. We have a number of student competition teams that travel across the nation to compete with other collegiate teams at a variety of venues, learning to work in a team, solving problems in real time, and interacting with others from around the nation. One of these teams, Rocket Mox, brought home a national title of launching a custom-designed rocket and achieving the highest altitude in 2018. And the team from last year broke a world record, putting UTC on the world map. You will also find our students serving the Chattanooga community by volunteering in STEM affairs, helping high school and junior high school teachers teach computer programming and engineering to their students, managing database for the Hamilton County government, and lending hands to those who need support using the knowledge and skills they have learned in their classes. I encourage you to be involved and take advantage of these opportunities for learning and growth. Again, welcome to the College of Engineering and Computer Science at UTC. I look forward to meeting you in person and getting to know more about you very soon.
Within civil engineering, there's kind of like 6 different disciplines. Environmental is one of them. Environmental is a lot more than what is typically thought about. Whenever you do any sort of structure in any country, no matter what you're working on, there's environmental regulations, and there needs to be, but a lot of times people don't know the ins and outs of those. So environmental engineers not only help design those, but help people who are designing structures stick to those regulations. With civil, it was because that's what my grandfather did. He has been an engineer in the Chattanooga area for probably 50 years. He was at TVA first, retired from there, went to Erlanger, and then went to the private sector. And now he is president of his own engineering company. He has been all over the place in Chattanooga just with everything he's done. So it was really a good role model for me, since he started me out young. It was like, you don't have to choose engineering. There was no pressure or anything, but if this is something you're interested in, here's what it's like. He took me around, let me job shadow for a while, and eventually he's kind of let me intern and take on more responsibility. So
I think what clicked with Stephen was the fact that he could see the impact it was having. He could see the excitement about being involved with people. And he was a good communicator. He learned the importance of combining the communications, the engineering technical skills, and using those to deliver something that changed the way people live, changed what they could expect out of life every day. I think the best advice for our freshmen, our young people going into engineering, is to learn as much about engineering as you can hands-on. Shadow, talk to people that's in the profession, get out there and get involved with somebody that's in the profession and see what they're doing and ask the question, what does this really do for people? And how can I make a difference? If I go into engineering, number one, how can I really enjoy it? Because you do much better at what you're doing if you enjoy it. So how can I really enjoy it and feel rewarded in what I'm doing for other people?
I remember when I first came in as a freshman, I was very nervous, and there was just an older student who was like, hey, do you need any help getting to class? Do you need to know about anything? And I was really grateful for that. And I found out he was an ambassador, and I was like, if I could do that for one student, just one, that would be fantastic. I interviewed the second semester of my sophomore year, and this is my 3rd semester doing it. I really enjoy it because you do actually get to go out and talk to the community and talk to students about what the College of Engineering is. And you get to kind of tell people, this is what I'm passionate about, this is why I'm passionate about it, and you can help them discover that. Because as much as I love engineering, I understand that it's not for everybody, but even people who come to the College of Engineering on a tour thinking that that's what they want to do, and then they may get there and be like, this isn't quite for me, you can still help them discover something they're passionate about. And that's always a really cool experience. There's a success path for pretty much everyone. And UTC to me is a great place to discover that. They've done nothing but help and guide and do everything I've needed. If I've encountered any problems, it's usually because I didn't seek out the resources, but then once I did, I realized it was there. There is a success path for anyone. You just have to basically seek it out.